Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I have three books from you from Cassthetic Plans. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. So let's do this. The first book is actually a repeat. So she is re-releasing this book. This is her first book called Boho Dreams. Then we have Spooky Chic Volume 2. And then we have Autumn Splendor, which this book has stole my heart. So let me go ahead and show you the first book first. So Boho Dreams. If you have never seen this, this is the book to get. I did regret initially that I didn't get 2 copies of this, as I used quite a bit of it in the fall. So I am glad she brought this back. And look how gorgeous, right? I always love that Cassie from Cassthetic Plans includes these splotches, so you can make your own combinations, but also, so she includes all of these boxes, but also she makes all of these combos for you. So if you need a quick plan and you have no time, you just take it, slap it on the page, and you are all done. Seriously, can't be easier than that. Look at these, so different, right? So you get a page of clear and a paper. And then paper, because you write on these. So are these. Yeah, and the colors are just fantastic. Like the blues and the teals are beautiful together with the orange. Then you have this like late summer, just really gorgeous, like fall, late summer stickers. And I love them. So this is what it is. Like, look at these shapes. Absolutely stunning. And as always, she gives you enough boxes. So you get 2 pages of boxes and then a combo, like I said. Okay, so that is Boho Dreams. That was her first sticker book ever. Next, we're going to do Spooky Chic, which is so gorgeous and just in time for October. So this will go on sale on the 30th. You can use my link. I would really appreciate that. I don't get any commission from it, but it tells her that you guys came from me. So I greatly appreciate that. And look at that. Like, look at this. All the purples. If you're a purple fan, this is a must for you. The bullet points, so that's something that she now does. You get 1 of the classic boxes, and then you get the journaling boxes and the sidebar boxes, and then bullet points, which I love. And then you get the combinations that she made for us. And then look at these florals. So stunning. This is on clear, this is on paper, and this is on clear. Look at this. Stunning, right? Then you get, this is on clear, both of these actually. And look how pretty this is. Yeah. Then you get the boxes, and again, a sheet of regular boxes and a sheet of bullet points and journaling ones. And then you get full combos that she made. And then this is very whimsy. This is very unlike Cassie, but I wanted to show you this because this is absolutely cute. So look at that, peekaboo. It's very like a groovy, so this is on clear, that was on paper. This is a very like groovy looking thing. It's very 70s. It makes me smile every time I look at this. So yeah, look at that. So cute. So if you're not into like a dark, scary Halloween, this is a very darling one. And then you get the same boxes. And then she made some of the combos. Look at that little guy peeking out, or little girl. So cute. And this is actually on clear. So you might need to use a Sharpie to write, or write underneath and then put this on top. So there is this. This is Spooky Chic Volume 2. And last but not least is the Autumn Splendor. Like I said, when she showed us this book completely stole my heart. So bear with me as I go through it slowly, because this is the first time I'm flipping these in person myself. Look at the colors. Oh my lord. And look at this. This is on clear, both of these. So you get these mushrooms and pumpkins that are like pencil drawn, and you guys know that I love my line art so much. Look at these, like absolutely stunning. And you get regular boxes, and as always the journaling, and then sidebar and bullet points. And then she made the combinations, and look how pretty this is. Next is these flowers, and they completely stunned me. The blue with the orange is absolutely stunning. And I can't get enough of it. And then look at these like washi strips that she included. Aren't they beautiful? Then we have boxes, more boxes, and then combinations that she created. And this last one is very like artsy, very like different. It's almost abstract a little. And I really liked the abstract and the summer one, so I knew I'm going to love this. And look at this. And then you get the boxes, which are perfect colors for fall. And then the combos that she made, look at that. Like that's exactly how I visualized it. So again, Autumn Splendor, Spooky Chic Volume 2, and Boho Dreams. All of these are coming out on the 30th. So that's a Monday. You can use my link. I would appreciate that. And I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.